welcome to KK's Maths channel. Today we are going to discuss another wonderful problem, that is find the longest distance of the point a comma 0 from the curve 2x square plus y square is equal to 2x. For this, let me consider the point q is equal to a comma 0 and equation of the curve is 2x square plus y square is equal to 2x. Now 2x I can write left hand side. So, and let me take 2 table common, then it will become 2 times x square minus x plus y square is equal to 0. Now it can be written as 2 times, it is x square minus x can be written as x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Then you get a square means x square minus 2ab means minus x plus b square means you get 1 by 4. That is additionally I got it. So I am subtracting here 1 by 4 plus y square is equal to 0. Now let me multiply 2 table here. Then we will get 2 times x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus y square is equal to 0. Now let me send minus 1 by 2 right hand side. Then we will get 2 times x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 by 2. Now let me divide 1 by 2 on both sides. If I divide 1 by 2 on both sides, you will get 2 times x minus 1 by 2 whole square by 1 by 2 plus y square by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is 1. Now 2 I can send to denominator, then it will become x minus 1 by 2 whole square by 1 by 4 plus y square by y square can be written as y minus 0 whole square, it is not wrong, by 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now it is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1, which represents the equation of ellipse. So therefore it is equation of an ellipse where center h comma k is equal to 1 by 2 comma 0 and a square value is 1 by 4. So a square is equal to 1 by 4. This implies a value is equal to 1 by 2 and b square is equal to 1 by 2, which implies b is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Now I want to find out if I want to consider a point P on the ellipse. So what is the general form of a point? Let P is equal to, I am taking h plus a cos theta comma k plus b sin theta be a point on the ellipse. But what is h and a values here? So h value is equal to 1 by 2. So that is equal to P means it is 1 by 2 plus a value also 1 by 2 we got. So it is 1 by 2 cos theta comma k value how much we got? 0. So 0 plus b value how much we got here? B value is 1 by root 2. So it is 1 by root 2 times sin theta. Now finally P became 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos theta comma 1 by root 2 times sin theta be a point on the ellipse. Okay, now I got a point P on the ellipse and already given point Q a comma 0. Now I want to find out the distance between P and Q. For that I want to calculate PQ square. PQ square is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos theta minus CA whole square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, plus y2. Y2 value is 1 by root 2 sin theta. 1 by root 2 sin theta minus y1. Y1 means 0. So 1 by root 2 sin theta minus 0 whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So let me expand this. So a square means 1 by 4 plus b square means it is cos square theta by 4 plus c square means minus a whole square. It becomes plus a square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. So plus 2 into a value 1 by 2, b value cos theta by 2, it is 2ab plus 2bc. So plus, okay, 2 into b value is cos theta by 2, and c value is minus a, okay, plus 2ca. So 2 into c value minus a into 1 by 2. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. So that is expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. Now let me write it is 1 by root 2 sin theta whole square, that is plus sin square theta by 2. Now let me simplify this. It is equal to 1 by 4 cos square theta. I want to write as 1 minus sin square theta. So it is 1 minus sin square theta by 4. Okay. So here plus 2 cancel. Then it is cos theta by 2. And it is plus, again 2 cancel, but plus into minus is minus. So it is minus a cos theta. And here again 2 cancel. So plus into minus is minus. A ones are a. So that is minus a plus sin square theta by 2. So finally it is I can split as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus sin square theta by 4. See, 1 minus sin square theta I have written as 1 by 4 minus sin square theta by 4, and later here plus sin square theta by 2 I am writing plus sin square theta by 2. And if you consider these two points, it is cos theta by 2 minus a cos theta. So I am taking cos theta common. Then I can write it is 1 by 2 minus a into cos theta. Okay. So I can write plus a square also there here. So plus a square also I have to write here. So then I am writing plus a square minus a. So finally 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is 1 by 2. And it is sin square theta by 4. It is with minus sign, and plus sin square theta by 2. If you simplify, you get it is a plus sin square theta by 4. Okay. And plus it is 1 by 2 minus a times cos theta plus a square minus a. So finally I got sin square theta by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus a into cos theta plus a square minus a plus 1 by 2. So let me take it as equation number 1. See, I am finding the distance between PQ. So PQ square I found. From this I can find PQ easily. But I want to find out maximum distance. So to know the maximum distance, I want to do derivative. I want to find out this. Let me take y is equal to. Let me take y is equal to PQ square. Let me take y is equal to PQ square. To find the maximum distance, I want to derive y with respect to theta. So differentiate y with respect to theta. Then dy by d theta is equal to okay. So here sin square theta derivative. It is sin square derivative is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta by 4, and 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 minus a times 1 by 2 minus a times cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, and the remaining a square minus a plus 1 by 2, these three are constants. We know that the derivative of constant is 0, so that is 0, no need to write, no problem. Finally, let me take here 2 times cancelled. So let me take sin common here. So if I take sin theta common here, we'll get cos theta by 2 with minus sign, that is minus 1 by 2 plus a, it is common. Okay, so that is dy by d theta. Now let me calculate. If I take LCM, I'll get cos theta minus 1 plus 2a by 2. So let me take this equation number 2. Okay, again differentiate with respect to theta. I am doing again, I am finding second derivative. So then we'll get d square y by d theta square is equal to sin theta, uv formula I am using. So first function into derivative of second function. So here let me take this. So first function sin theta, and for this derivative is cos theta derivative is minus sin theta by 2, and 1 by 2 constant, for this 0, for a constant it is also 0, so that's all. It is uv formula. Now u into v dash plus v into u dash. V means again cos theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus a into sin theta derivative is cos theta. So finally it is minus sin square theta by 2 plus, it is after taking LCM, it is cos theta minus 1 plus 2a by 2 into cos theta. It is equation number 3. Now let me consider dy by d theta is equal to 0, because to find maximum or minimum we must take dy by d theta is equal to 0. So dy by d theta is 0 means from equation 2, this implies sin theta into cos theta minus 1 plus 2a by 2 is equal to 0. From this, either sin theta is equal to 0 or cos theta minus 1 plus 2a by 2 is equal to 0. Then denominator sent to right hand side, division becomes multiplication, and from this we can find cos theta minus 1 plus 2a is equal to 0. So this implies cos theta is equal to, we will get 1 minus 2a. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a. But whenever cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a, also we can find sin square theta. Sin square theta formula is 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square. So that means 1 minus cos square means 1 minus of 1 minus 2a whole square. Then we will get 4a minus 4a square. It is 4a minus 4a square, that is about sin square theta value, when cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a. Now let me substitute the value of cos theta in this second derivative, and let me calculate it is whether it is positive or negative. So let me continue here. Okay, so I am finding d square y by d theta square at cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a. I am finding here. Then okay, so minus sin square theta, minus sin means minus sin square value already I know, I found here. So it is minus of 4a minus 4a square by 2. Okay, and the cos theta value 1 minus 2a. So let me substitute here. Plus it is 1 minus 2a minus 1 plus 2a whole divided by 2 into cos theta means 1 minus 2a. But if you see here, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, minus 2a plus 2a cancelled, so everything is cancelled here. So 0 into anything is 0. Here the position is Let me take 4 table common. Okay, so 2 table common. If I take 2 table common, it is 2a minus 2a square whole divided by 2. Let me cancel 2 and 2. So if I multiply minus, then it is 2a square minus 2a. If I take 2a common, it is 2a into a minus 1. But clearly 2a into a minus 1 is less than 0. Because the reason is, since we know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. Cos theta lies between minus 1 to plus 1. But this implies minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta value, in this case 1 minus 2a. So 1 minus 2a less than or equal to 1. Throughout the equation, let me subtract minus 1. Then we will get minus 2 less than or equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, less than or equal to 0. Even let me divide 2 table. So if I divide 2 table on either side, then minus 1 less than or equal to minus a less than or equal to 0 by 2 is 0. But I want a value. So that is, let me multiply minus sign. So if I multiply minus sign, because a minus 1, okay, so let me multiply minus, then I'll get minus I am multiplying, so 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 1. Okay, so I want a minus 1. So that let me subtract minus 1 throughout the equation. So you will get minus 1 less than or equal to a minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Means here a minus 1 is negative. Whenever a minus 1 is negative, then negative into 2a is also negative. So finally we got d square theta by d theta square is less than 0 and cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a. Means the distance is maximum at cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a. We found that. But we know we want to find what is the maximum distance value. So let me find it here. What is the maximum distance of PQ? For that, cos theta value should be taken as 1 minus 2a in distance. Okay. Now I got equation. I have equation 1 here. In this equation 1, I will substitute cos theta value 1 minus 2a. Okay. So now from equation 1 implies PQ square is equal to that is the sin square theta by 2 sin square theta by 4 plus 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 minus a times it is cos theta plus a square minus a plus 1 by 2. It is a PQ square value. But to get a maximum value, so cos theta value should be taken as 1 minus 2a. So okay, so to find maximum distance, put cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2a. So whenever cos theta value 1 minus 2a, that implies sin theta value how much we have to take? 4a minus 4a square. And for sin square theta value is equal to 4a minus 4a square. So therefore PQ square is equal to, I am writing sin square theta. Sin square theta value is 4a minus 4a square whole divided by 4 plus it is 1 by 2 minus a times cos theta. Cos theta value is 1 minus 2a plus a square minus a plus 1 by 2. Am I right? So here 4 table let me cancel, then we will get only a minus a square. 1 by 2 into 1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 2a, that is minus a. Minus a into 1, that is minus a. Minus a into minus 2a, that is plus 2a square. So the remaining terms are plus a square minus a plus 1 by 2. So let me cancel minus a square plus a square and plus a minus a. After this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. Minus a plus minus a, that is minus 2a plus 2a square, that is PQ square value. From this Therefore, PQ, that is the distance. PQ square means, that is PQ means distance. So therefore PQ is equal to 1 minus 2a plus 1 minus 2a plus a square is the maximum distance. So that's all. That is the what we need to find. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you very much.